sound of Ram is considered very powerful. There are several places in the first chapter of Ramcharitmanas where Tulsidas explains the mystical power of the name of Ram. Every letter or sound of the Sanskrit alphabet is a beeja or seed mantra that invokes a quality of the divine. When you break down the name of Ram, there are 2 syllables but 3 beeja mantras, seed mantras, Ra, A and Ma. Ra represents the sun, A represents Agni or fire, and Ma represents the moon. Since the 3 sources of light on earth come from the sun, fire, and the moon, repeating the name of Ram is a method for invoking the supreme light of God. Also, when you take a deeper look at the qualities inherent in the 2 syllables, Ra and Ma, you will see that father and mother, the masculine and feminine, the sun and the moon, exist in perfect balance. It is this universal quality that makes the name of Ram unique as a name of God, since God is described as light containing both masculine and feminine aspects. The first syllable Ra can also be found in various languages representing the sun. For instance, Ravi is one of the Sanskrit names for the sun. Raghu is the solar dynasty or lineage that Ram belonged to that traces its origins to the sun. The ancient Egyptian god Ra was their sun god and a major deity in the ancient Egyptian religion. There are also the English words radiate, radiance, and ray, as in the sun's rays, further suggesting an etymological origin with the syllable Ra. Another example is that raw food is defined as food that has been ripened by the sun, that which carries the sun. The Hindu scriptures maintain that Lord Shiva, the deity presiding over the holy city of Kashi, whispers into the right ear of every creature dying within its boundaries the name Ram. It is for this reason that when a dead body is being carried, we hear the chant Ram Naam Satya Hai. In the Ramcharitmanas, Shiva is considered Ram's best devotee and incessantly invokes his name for the benefit of others. The saints, as well as the Puranas and Upanishads, too declare that the potency of the name Ram is unlimited. Neem Karoli Baba, a great bhakt of Hanumanji, a yogi, a mystic, around whom miracles are known to happen, gave the Ram Naam mantra. Listen to this here. Many also engage in the likhit jap, the written name of Ram, and deposit it in the Ram Naam Bank or temples. We know that Hanumanji inscribed Ram Naam on every stone, and the stones did not submerge in water, but floated instead. That is how the Ram Naam Setu emerged between India and Lanka. Every time one chants Ram Naam, it mingles with the chanting of Ram Naam by Hanumanji. Hanumanji chants Ram Naam eternally. This is a crucial aspect of writing the name of Ram. Jai Shri Ram.